A Komodo dragon gripped a king cobra tightly in its jaws, trying to swallow it whole. The cobra struggled to escape, but the dragon's bite was too strong. In a last-ditch effort, the cobra turned and bit the Komodo dragon. The dragon, in pain, released its hold, and the cobra took the chance to flee. However, the cobra didn't get far before the dragon bit it again. The cobra tried to climb onto land, but the dragon dragged it back into the water, pulling it in the opposite direction. It was clear the cobra was no match for the Komodo dragon. Its venom seemed ineffective against the dragon. The dragon held onto the snake, while the cobra bit at the dragon's mouth, hoping to get free, but it didn't work. The cobra then sank its fangs into the dragon's leg, injecting all of its venom. Finally, the dragon succumbed to the poison, rolling onto its back and convulsing. The cobra, too, was ultimately overwhelmed by the dragon's bite. Watch closely. A Komodo dragon met its end while savoring what seemed like the perfect meal. What caused this sudden and unexpected death? This Komodo dragon had always been a food enthusiast, constantly on the hunt for its next meal. That day, it stumbled upon a dead wild boar, which it hadn't had the chance to feast on for a long time. The dragon, eager and hungry, wasted no time and lunged at the carcass. Although the wild boar wasn't particularly large, it was still bigger than the Komodo dragon's mouth could comfortably handle. But the dragon didn't seem to worry. It quickly used a nearby stone to help tear the boar apart, swallowing the upper half of the animal with ease. Feeling satisfied, the dragon paused and looked up, grateful to nature for providing such a feast. Everything seemed to be going perfectly. But just as the dragon had almost finished swallowing the boar, disaster struck. In its overconfidence, the Komodo dragon didn't bite down hard enough, allowing the wild boar's sharp hooves to cause